Hey guys, Captain Matt. I'm out here doing gemstone lights installation, and I just want to show you something we do on all of our projects is our wire hiding. We like to say with level 11, right? Because obviously if you have lights on your roof, you need wiring. Like, it's impossible unless you're Harry Potter. And if you are, let's chat. But anyways, I'll just show you. I'm just flying out here. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. I'm a little close. You see, so here's wire. It's not done yet. So I have wire here, and the wire needs to go from this porch bottom. It's gonna go all the way up into there. So one of the ways we hide wires is we have this aluminum track here, which, as you can see, matches the color, and we'll hide right in here. We'll screw it on. As you can see, there's one screw, a couple screws up here, and then we'll use a little bit of this white split loom here to get from here to here, and then we'll transition to some brown aluminum track, and then go right up into there. And that is just the that attention to detail that we like to try to pay attention to. You can see over here too is one. So we have the little bit of split loom into aluminum track to match the best we can there. So some places are a lot more difficult to hide the wire than others, and when we have to go up to these large first story to second story that's not at the edge of a house, or there's no gutter, these are some of the methods that we use to hide the wires level 11. So there you go. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.